Watch AI create an early childhood progress and attendance dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our data file. Upload complete. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our student data, identifying key metrics like attendance patterns, skill proficiency levels, and class distributions. The system intelligently generates 5 interactive charts showing attendance status by class, skill proficiency across age groups, student distribution by teacher, skill level breakdowns, and attendance trends over time. Plus 2 comprehensive data tables for teacher attendance summaries and class skill analysis. Perfect! Our early childhood progress and attendance dashboard is complete with all visualizations automatically created. We can instantly customize the theme to match our school's branding. Now let's explore presentation mode for sharing insights with administrators and parents. This full-screen view highlights each chart clearly, making it perfect for meetings and parent conferences. The clean layout ensures data tells its story effectively. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every element, customize further, and dive deep into our education analytics. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.